on and mess with the lyrical one, you get done. Come on and mess. Come on and mess.
Oh yeah, right about now on the MIC. My name is T-La Rock, and I'ma get busy like this. The #1 rapper under the sun. Step in my path, you get done like this. My rap whips with the speed of a dragon till I'm hard as bone and you soft as a dragon. As my rap revolves, weak hearts dissolve, brain cells flip, egos are tripped. Potent as angel dust, my rhyme smoke, powerful as coke, eardrum get yoked. The money I make, I take and start divvying. Foes I spank and yank into oblivion, never to return in my rap division. I'm feared like a demon, I swear on my vision, I'll totally terminate, won't leave traces of go of unbelief or left on faces. Ready to the just another counterfeit. The way I slay, heartbeat split. No knives, no guns, no weapons, no gimmick. My attack is verbal, straight up lyrics. Copycatter's lips, grit my jock tip. The straps overlaps so biters can sit. An open invitation for biters I hate, who can't play straight, I just play on bass. A psycho rapper, lyrical terminator. I hate a plagiarist, title taker, lyric stealer. By the time I'm finished, you need God as a healer. Come on and mess with the lyrical one, you get done. I twist, spin, snap, kneecaps. When I rap, brain cells collapse. The weak-minded, amateur enemies get played out like pinstripe leads. You think you can't get played? Step to me, can't get with this rapper? Sue me, I whack. Time after time, this lyrical genius is blowing our minds like a bullet. I'm jetting enemies, I'm not forgetting. I'm cooling like Trump while the suckers are sweating. Some wanna know how I rock so well. Others move like snails, I push like a Duracell. Oh hell, like a Lamborghini, T-La Rock is fly. Drugs free, swear to G.O.D. I don't get high. Clean system full of wisdom, a rapper with heart. Go the full 9 yards with this lyrical art. I make competition shiver with the rap I deliver. Draw fans by the van, rap deep as a river. Burst craniums, retard brains. Triple competition from New York to Spain, you get done. I just keep getting better while others get worse. Who come in a limo and leave in a hearse? I create like a scientist, design like an architect. Weak thoughts I eject, build on my intellect. Like this, bust the vocab. I'm the freshest of the freshest. It's very spectacular. The foes, I'm deadly, poisonous like a tarantula. I'm superlative, abound, I'm so prolific, profound. The brainiac opposite of an lyrical, empirical, acrobatical style. Rich miles, miles and miles to get done.